Page 178. This is number 1 at the top of the page, the Minuet in G major. Very old melody. Here they're giving you the melody notes and the chords, and you get to harmonize to it. Now what they want you to do is just use the bottom note of the chord, or the root of the chord. However, let's talk about it. First thing I need to do is make sure I can play it. The melody, that is. Minuet, remember, is minuet and a waltz are similar to each other. You expect them to be in 3/4 time, and this is in 3/4 time in G major. So they're telling you the key already. It's 1 sharp is G major. Just go ahead and do the scale for G major and E minor, because E minor has 1 sharp also, and probably should do the arpeggios too. Whatever you're doing in there, keep doing it. So just the melody. And again, first I connect everything because I want a fingering that works connected. So it's a... And then I want you to reach up 3. That's kind of a stretch. You can go ahead and use 5 on that third measure here, and then scrunch up and use thumb, because you need to be in this position. And they're having you go right to it. I'm saying you can go to it on the next one. Don't forget the F sharp is in the key signature. Then reach down and claps. Cross over for 1 note. You do that some more. Then I'd put in the articulation. Just flexing at the wrist, short, huh? And this staccato helps if you want to move because you got more time, but I'm still going to finger it the way I did. 5 and then 1. Here. Okay. So put in the articulation and the dynamics, you can do that. Okay. Now the chords, I want to know what they are, even though they only want you to play the bottom note of the chord, and they're telling you the name of the chord. That's basically the name of the note you're going to play. I still want to know, I want to hear the harmony. So we have start with a G chord, somewhere, I don't know where it is, and then a C chord, and then a G with a B on the bottom. That's first inversion, because what I have here, and B is on the bottom, it's first inversion. And then an A minor chord. Second line is a G, a D, G, a D7. Remember, a D7 is a D chord with a 7th added. G, I don't know where I'm at here. I mean, I don't know where you need to be. We'll figure that out later. I just want to know what the chords are. A G with a B on the bottom, A minor, a D with an F sharp on the bottom. Well, that's the D, and if I put the F sharp on the bottom, that means the D's on top. Here. G, and then a G with a B on the bottom, C, D, G. Okay, I would like to hear the harmony with the melody. So I'm going to play the chords, just a block here, and here, you don't really need all 4 notes, but I want to hear it. So it's here. Here. Now, F sharp on the bottom. It's a little low down here. It's hard to hear the harmony. It might be better off playing it up here. Just for me, I just wanted to hear the harmony. Now what they want you to do is just play the note, 1 note. So it's like here, I'm going to play a G here. Then I'm going to play a C. Which C? I don't know. And a G with a B on the bottom, so you play the B. Then A, G, D, G, and a D7. I'm still just playing the D, it's the bottom note. And then F sharp there, this is measure 13, it's an A minor, and then an F sharp, and then a B, see, I'm just playing the bottom note of the chord, or if it's an inversion like they're saying, the note they're telling me to. Because in measure, just pick one, measure 13 again, you had the A minor chord was here, so you're playing an A, But then on the D chord is here, but they want you to play an F sharp. That's what that means with slice F sharp. The F sharp's the bottom note. That's the note they want you to play here for the D chord. And then for the G with a B, well, they want you to play the B as the bottom note. Now, let me know if you have questions, but that's basically what they want. I take it a little further than they're taking it because I want to hear the whole chord. I want to hear the harmony. And one note doesn't necessarily give me a clear harmony sound. So I do that whole chord first, and then I do the assignment.